Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing another vlog week. It's Sunday, it's around 4 p.m. I haven't done a whole lot today. I did upload a Bath & Body Works haul. Finally, I edited it and uploaded it, and just kind of having a relaxing Sunday. It's actually going to be a busy and fun week because one of my best friends from college is getting married next weekend, and I am in the wedding. Of course, they are taking a lot of precautions and things are a little bit modified because of COVID, but the wedding is still on and I'm really excited. So I'm going to take you through some of the things that I do to prepare for that, as well as some info about my job, because people seem to really like watching other people do their job, and I like that as well because those kind of vlogs are so relatable. I'm drinking my favorite seltzer, which is a lemon lime seltzer from Giant Eagle. It basically tastes like Sprite without all of the sugar. I was watching one of Kenzie Elizabeth's vlogs, and basically my other goals for today are to steam the bridesmaid's dress for the wedding and kind of pack an overnight bag so I can get that out of the way. And of course, do some writing because many of you know writing is one of my biggest passions. So I always try to write every single day. Tomorrow and Tuesday should just be like regular work days. Wednesday, I'm going to make the cookies for the wedding. If you don't know, in Pittsburgh, it's a big tradition to have like these cookie tables at your wedding. So like family and friends typically make cookies for people's weddings. So I'm gonna do that. I'm excited to kind of have a purpose and do random things like that this week. And then Thursday, I really need to get my nails done, get off this red, white, and blue, and something appropriate for the wedding, and then I'll probably end the vlog there. So that's kind of just a little rundown of what you can expect, and I hope you guys will continue watching and consider subscribing if you're new. So I'm gonna show you guys the bridesmaid's dress. I'm sorry there's kind of a glare from the window right now, but we got it from this place called Bridesmaid, which they have a location in Charlotte, which is where the bride is from, Chicago, and I believe a few other places. So I ordered mine online. If you do end up getting this is the Jenny U. I'll leave it linked down below. Sorry, I need to close that. If you do end up getting this, you can try it on for free at Nordstrom, which is what I did. I ordered one in my true dress size and one sizing up and tried them on to see if they would fit me, and I found that my true dress size, the size 6, worked perfectly, although the people at Bridesmaid told us to size up 2 sizes, which was really weird to me and seemed like very much a money-making scheme because, like I said, the 6 fit me perfectly. In fact, the dress was very long on me, and I've actually never had a dress altered before. So I had to actually get this dress altered, and it was like $100, sized down to a 4, but I didn't want it to be like too snug, and I don't know how much that would have really helped in regard to the length. So that's something to keep in mind if for some reason, you know, you're getting married or you are also ordering this dress because you're in a wedding or whatever. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. I believe the color is Cinnamon Rose, and there we go. I think my lens was a little bit dirty too. So it's just this very pretty kind of like wine colored red mauve color. I think it's a really pretty color, flattering on a lot of different skin types with a lot of different hair colors. Doesn't look like too much of a clash with my reddish hair. And it's just a very simple and elegant fit. It's very long, but yeah, it's really, really long and flowy, and I think the fit is very flattering on everyone. So I was pretty pleasantly surprised. I do think it was a pricey dress, especially with alterations, but I think everyone will look nice and I'm excited to wear it. So I'm gonna go ahead and steam this a little bit today. And these are the shoes I'm wearing with it. They're these rose gold shoes from ASOS. Have a little bit of a heel, they're kind of high. I know I'm gonna be taller than a lot of people, maybe even my boyfriend, but we'll see. I think they're really cute and they look really nice with the dress, so I'm gonna wear them. So I'm thinking that just this bag will be enough to bring because we're staying overnight in a hotel for 2 nights, so I think I can fit everything in there. And then the actual day of, to kind of go to the church and everything, I think I'm gonna bring this for like all of my makeup, water, everything like that. And this is of course the dress I'm going to wear to the rehearsal dinner. It's this hot pink dress from Express. I got a really good deal on it. I can't remember how much it was, but if you're interested, check it out in my Express haul video. And I can't find my steamer because I definitely need to steam this. I don't think I need to steam my other dress. I forgot that the people at the place steamed it, so I think that's good. Okay, so I think this angle is better. I still can't find my steamer, but I always keep this bag packed after trips. And this just has my daily cleanser in it, deodorant, mousse, it's a 10, eye makeup remover, and Q-tips. I'm just gonna bring a couple different outfits. My casual Under Armour shorts, this top, this shirt from Express, kind of a dressier tank with jean shorts, and then just a little sundress in case we do something a little bit more dressy. Good morning, you guys. It's Monday morning. It's about 7:30 and I'm getting ready to start work. I haven't really gotten ready for the day because I don't have any meetings or anything, but I will change in a bit because I'm still wearing what I slept in and I'm obviously not going to wear that all day. But I do always make my bed first thing and then grab some coffee, and I have my Kate Spade mug and it has like all these cute little books, and I really love this little cup. It's so cute. It's like my favorite two things, Kate Spade and books. Today is not too busy. I have to run some reports for my audit, and I have a meeting with my manager and another staff person on the audit this morning, and then I need to think about how I'm going to get a population for my tax narrative. So that's kind of what's on the agenda today. And if you made it to this far in the vlog, give this video a thumbs up. It is midday and I'm in the very, very long Starbucks drive-through line. I was hoping it wouldn't be super long because today's Monday and I came a little bit before 12, but it's still pretty long. This morning I just had a meeting, like I said, with my manager and one of the staff members for our audit, and we're scoping out some testing, so yay. I had to set up a meeting tomorrow because we think we might have an issue around an Access database. So tomorrow I have a ton of meetings, so this afternoon I really need to work on completing the write-up and starting the testing for the tax cup. So those are my plans this afternoon. I need a coffee to be kind of productive. And yeah, that's all that's really happening with my day. Nothing too eventful, just another Monday. Let me know what kind of music you guys are listening to these days. I think I said this in another vlog. I was like really obsessed with Maggie Rogers, and I still really like her music, but I kind of need like something new to listen to. I do like the Katy Perry song Daisies. That's a good one. I like Caution by the Killers. That's a total jam, but I just kind of need more music in general to listen to, like when I run and just in the car. So if you know any good songs, leave them down below. This is what I'm having for lunch, just some Triscuits with hummus. I've really been obsessed with eating this recently. I feel like it's low calorie, but it keeps me really full. Today's LaCroix of choice is key lime. At first I thought I hated this because I thought it was super sweet, but it's actually pretty tasty and I'm really enjoying it. So it is 5:15 and I'm done with work. I just kind of do like miscellaneous things from the time I get done with work till it's time for me to work out. Like I basically finished work today at like 4:30, then I ate dinner. Then I just had to write my dad a check for my car insurance. I'm just gonna kind of straighten up, clear away like all of my work stuff and just put it over there so I kind of don't have to see it for the rest of the night because I'm not gonna be logging back on or doing any type of work. I still need to work on kind of finalizing my packing for next weekend. So yeah, I'm just gonna do like random stuff like that until it's time for my nightly workout. I feel like this is always kind of like a hard time of day because I'm used to kind of getting that separation from like the office to coming home and just like having my commute home to just like listen to music and chill. And I don't really have that now. For a while I was like going straight to my personal computer and like working on writing or like editing videos, like things like that. But now I feel like I have to try to like get up and like move around a little bit. And even if I'm just like organizing my things, at least I'm not like sitting down on a computer. So it is 6:45, time to work out. I just have on a black sports bra. Hey everyone, it is Wednesday and I'm actually sitting at my desk today. I do have a desk, but I really never utilize it because I find it uncomfortable and small, and these shelves are like more for show than anything else because it's hard to kind of fit your computer under here. But I have a video call at 3. As you can see, I have a little bit of makeup on today and I did my hair. We have a pretty big planning meeting, so really hoping that that goes well. I'm a little bit nervous for that because I've never led this call before. And yeah, it's a little intimidating. So hoping that goes well. Yesterday was an extremely busy day and I did not have time to vlog at all, but I did get some Chipotle yesterday and I went to Target to pick up a few things for the wedding, but I was just so like mentally tired that I didn't want to vlog. Today I had a lot of meetings as well. I think yesterday I had 7 meetings and today I've had 5. Well, this will be the 5th one. So a lot of back-to-backs and pretty busy, but I'm just trying to kind of like relax before this meeting. I practiced a little bit earlier today and yesterday with my manager, so hopefully it goes well. And I'll update you guys after, and then post-work we're gonna make some cookies for the wedding, so I am looking forward to that. So much for low stress because my computer has to restart now for some freaking reason. So annoyed. This happened to me a few weeks ago where my computer just like restarted and I couldn't like log on to anything. So I really hope that's not happening because we're down to 14 minutes till the meeting. So my meeting went really well. I was so happy with it. Big relief. Now it is time to make some cookies. So we are going to be making inside out chocolate chip cookies, which is basically a blackish brown cookie that kind of looks like a brownie with white chips. Every time I bake, like I start off and I'm just kind of like, yay, this is fun, I'm enjoying it. And then like one batch comes out and I'm like, oh my god, I have so much more to do. And then by the final batch, I'm like, I hate baking. I'm so over this. Anyone else? I don't think that I'll ever really like love cooking or baking. It's just boring to me. Like I was listening to a personality hacker podcast and that made it a little bit better, and then I was like on Instagram and it just really wasn't that much fun for me. But I have one more batch in the oven, thank God, and then it'll be done. I'm gonna freeze those because I don't know, I feel like they won't keep till Saturday if I don't freeze them. I know it's only 3 days, but I should probably freeze them for 2 days, I think. Yeah, and then I'm gonna get a run in. This will probably be my last run till next week, which is crazy because I definitely am used to getting in those weekend workouts, but with a wedding I definitely won't be able to have time. And I also burnt my finger and it hurts really bad. And apparently I just pulled hair out of my head, but I don't think I'm really making sense and I'm not being that interesting, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get ready for my run. So this is our hotel room. Really, really nice and spacious. Got my Yeti. It's very clean. We're staying at a Holiday Inn. There's the dress. And the bathroom. Super nice. Love me some free coffee. Like here, this is my outfit for the rehearsal dinner. It's this hot pink dress from Express. I have my hair curled, my Smashbox lipstick on, and I'm just waiting for my boyfriend to get here. He had to work today, so thanks guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you made it to the end.